Good morning, YouTube. It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Appreciate y'all for watching this video here. Go ahead and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Top of the morning, so it might be looking a little rough, but the time is currently 8:38. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I set up and get ready for the day, right? So I usually end the day. I should be doing this at the end of the day, but mind you, once you're like detailing all day, you don't want to come back home and have to empty out the van and stuff like that. So what I do is I do it in the morning. Now I'm recording, so it's gonna take a little longer, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead over here. I'm gonna focus on my towels first. So we put our dirty towels here, so everything here is dirty. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that out and then put it in my garage with all the rest of the dirty towels. So while I'm here, I'm gonna also check how low we are with our regular towels. So it looks like we need some fresh towels in here for sure, and nothing in here really. It's pretty simple. I don't do too much. So just towels and chemicals. So I see there's a towel here. Any loose towels, because when you're out here detailing, it could be a little hectic. Just gonna sit this right there. Now I'm gonna come back here and check my equipment. So there's a leaf in there. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. We don't need that in there. Running low on a few air fresheners, but I have more. And yeah, just making sure everything is cool, everything is kosher. Go ahead and take this trash out. So this is trash from yesterday. Customers' vehicles, gloves, stuff like that. I'm gonna just go ahead and empty this out and then throw this in the trash. Get rid of that. Fuck. See, you guys, it's hard to record, and I almost cursed. It's hard to record and do stuff. So trash is gone. I'm gonna make my way over here, which is where we have our chemicals. Bam. All right, so this is kind of all over the place right now, but chemicals are right here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this over here into my garage. So I keep gallon sizes down here. You guys see I have leather conditioner, I have some pink foam soap, I have some degreaser here, and what else do I have? Oh, here we go. I have some more gallons right here. Super blue, some dressing. So we also have some aerosol cans here, and these are what we use for like the interior cup holders and plastic trim. So I have a bunch in there, and then I have some glass cleaners in here, but I'm running low, so I need to resupply on these. And then we also have some more gallons right here, mind you. So this is my not my parents, this is my uncle and aunt's house. So I have very little space to, like, you know what I'm saying, store my stuff in here, right? So it's a little messy. I don't want to show everything that's going on in the garage, but it's kind of just showing you where I keep my stuff and how I'm gonna go ahead and resupply or refill my products and stuff like that and get ready for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up all these chemicals here, and I guess I'll just show you guys. So we have our dressing here. I don't know if you can see the level. Can you see the level? This brightness is pretty high right now. It's like dark and cloudy out right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm sorry if this video is like all over the place, but I'm trying to bring you guys some real content. So you have that right there. I'm gonna come in here, look for my funnel, which I usually keep right there. Sit there right there. Come over this way. This is the dressing that we currently use for like floor mats, door panels, or just anything really that needs to be dressed. We just use this. VRP is good as well. I used to use VRP, but this one's more watery-ish. Oh, put a little bit too much. It's all good. And that's done. Put that back on there. And we have one bottle down. So next up, we have tire dressing. So I usually carry 2 of these. You put this camera. Put these both up. So boom. Put this back. So I usually have 2 tire dressings because, like Victor said in the last video, if you are running low on whatever supply and you can't finish the job, that's not a good look. So we're just trying to prep for the day, get ready. We have a I think we have 4 cars, maintenance cars today. Let's go fill that up. I don't fill these all the way up because tire dressing is an expensive expense. I don't want to spill none. Oh, and I just spilled some. Bam. Cool. Now you guys might be wondering, like, oh, do you clean the funnel? This, and that. Honestly, no. I don't. I just pour my chemicals, pour my liquids in there, and just keep it going, you know. So, boom. Put those 2 back in my little basket. So, spray wax is next, as well as my shocket. So these are both kind of used the same way. We dry up the vehicle with either one of these, just depending on what the car is. If it's a maintenance, we'll probably use the spray wax or this. And I mean, it just depends. It honestly depends, because for the most part we use our paste wax. So yeah, those filled. Alright, so now we're just gonna go ahead and fill up this shocket. Just refill this one up. It's kind of low. You guys see we use it a lot. Go ahead and pop this open. Fill that sucker up. Alright, this one's filled. Put this top on here. Put these 2 back. And I don't think I have any more of this pink spray wax, so I'm gonna just leave it until we just empty it, and then I'll fill that with the same shocket that we have there. Alright, so last but not least, we have our degreaser. So, as you guys see, most of these chemicals are going in the bottles just straight up. They're not being diluted or anything like that. Now, I'm sure you can dilute them, but it's not what we do. So, I'm going to go ahead and put some degreaser in these 2. And this is already diluted. Already put a lot of water on this, so we're actually running pretty low, so I need to get some, like, by today. I need my other hand. There we go. So I'm gonna just pour this. Pour. Not P-O-O-R, but P-O-U-R. Pour. Or pour. I don't even know. My English ain't that good. So go ahead and fill this up, and it looks like it's getting all the way empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit in this one. Put the rest in that one. Look at that, it's empty now. But this is the special cleaner we use here. So you guys seeing it, just ran low, just ran dry. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out, and I'll probably switch over to the degreaser that I have in there. Just a little stronger than this super or this special cleaner. So I mean, that's pretty much it. We just basically just filled all our products up. As far as the soap and stuff, I carry that a gallon size, which is right here. And we also carry like our most used stuff. So I carry my soap with me, the acid wheel cleaner, and then this shampoo right here. And these are all Stinger because I went to Nash, and Nash is very big on the Stinger products. He's a distributor for them, so that's why you see me using majority of these Stinger products. Because if you saw on my if you saw on my resupply video, you can see that I bought most of my supplies from Nash. So yeah, go ahead and throw this out there. I'm gonna put this back in the van, so give me a second. So now that the chemicals are all full, we have towels taken out. I'm gonna go ahead and put some new towels in here, and then I will go ahead and turn the van on, let it warm up and stuff. So actually I'm like running low on these orange and green towels for some reason. So lately we just been using these extra blue towels that I have, and it's no biggie. I'm gonna have to go ahead and, you know, buy new towels this weekend and new products anyways. So just, you know, go ahead and get ready for the winter and stuff like that as well. So I just threw all these blue towels in there. Just throw blue towels, it's all good. They're just extras. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's kind of how I get ready for the day. Now, you know, we usually do want to fill the water up with the tank, but being that we are going to houses today, that's not very necessary, you know. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. Hopefully you found some value. Hopefully you learned something from this video here. I know it's kind of all over the place and stuff like that, but hopefully it brought you some different perspective and stuff like that. It's really not that hard to get ready for the day. And appreciate y'all for watching this video. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.